everyone, welcome to my Optimum Health God's Way YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at amazing health benefits of water. Yes, our body is made up mostly of water, like 60 to 70% of the body is water, and our brain 75 to 85% of the brain is water. 75% to 90% of the blood is water, and each cell in the body is made up of mostly of water. So in order for our cells to function well, we need lots of water. When we look at our brain, we need lots of water to produce hormones and neurotransmitters to maintain the structure and our brain to perform necessary or essential functions. And how about our eyes? We need lots of water to lubricate the eyes, to maintain the shape and the internal pressure and moisture of the eyes for proper function, to maintain our eyes clean, comfortable, and protected. How about our nose? We need water to thin the mucus, to drain freely and easily, and to clear congestions. When we have allergies, cold, or flu, we are congested. And how about our mouth? We need water to lubricate the mouth and the tongue. We need saliva, basically made out of water, to taste the food and to digest the food, to break down the food, and to keep the mouth clean, and to swallow the food, and to keep teeth and gum clean and healthy from bacteria, plaque buildup, from cavities. How about our lungs? It needs water to bring oxygen to the lungs and to eliminate carbon dioxide from the lung. How about our heart? It needs water to thin the blood so that the heart doesn't have to pump so hard. Because when we are dehydrated and when we don't have enough water, our blood will be thick, so the heart has to pump harder. So our heart pumps faster and it stresses the heart, causes the increased risk of heart problems. Even our kidneys and our liver and our bladder and other parts of the body also need lots of water to perform their function or to do their work. Therefore, our body, in order to function well and to maintain health and well-being, we need lots of water. Now let's look at the health benefits of water. Number 1, helps regulate body temperature to maintain a stable body temperature by absorbing, releasing heat as necessary or needed through sweating. Number 2, water helps cushion and lubricate joints and tissues for smooth movement. That means for us to enjoy physical activities. It cushions and protects vital organs like brain and spinal cords. And thirdly, water helps prevent infections and chronic diseases like constipation, kidney stones, urinary tract infections, high blood pressure, cancer, and helps to absorb important vitamins, minerals, and nutrients from food and oxygen, so that increases the chance of staying healthy. Number 4, improve circulation by keeping your blood thin to carry oxygen and nutrients to the entire body and to bring back waste for elimination. Number 5, helps boost energy, endurance, strength, and power, because water activates metabolism, which is associated with positive impact on energy. And number 6, helps improve brain functions, to focus, to be alert, and for our thought and memory processes. And number 7, helps improve mood by helping your body run smoothly. It reduces stress, and by water supporting to produce hormones and neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, they regulate mood, and by flushing out toxins, it helps improve mood. Number 8, helps with digestion. Water helps break down food easily and effectively, because the initial breakdown of food begins from the mouth with the help of saliva. And number 9, water helps eliminate or remove waste through sweat, urination, and bowel movement. And number 10, it helps moisturize skin by keeping the skin hydrated, supports healthy skin functions, texture, and appearance. 11, helps lose weight by drinking more water, and drinking no or less soda helps reduce calorie intake, and water helps speed up metabolism. The food, instead of being stagnant in the body, they get broken down and turn into energy. And by drinking more water, you feel more full, so it reduces your appetite, so you eat less. Now let's look at research findings on water. According to research findings, it shows that dehydration can increase the risk of chronic disease, early aging, and death. According to a study published in eBiomedicine, adults who are well hydrated live longer and have fewer chronic diseases. And a study published in The Lancet shows that adults who are not well hydrated grow old faster. And according to NIH research, middle-aged adults who are not well hydrated are more likely to develop chronic disease, just like heart failure, diabetes, chronic lung diseases, and obesity. Now let's look at how many of us are hydrated or don't drink enough water by the signs and symptoms that we are going to look at now. If you have dry mouth, dry tongue, dry lips, dry eyes, dry skin, you are dehydrated. If you feel fatigue for no apparent reason, you are dehydrated. Or if you have headache or have less focus, less memory, brain damage. Or if you have low blood pressure, dizziness, fainting, thick blood, that's why people need blood thinner like aspirin, Coumadin, and warfarin. But in fact, water and cayenne pepper are excellent blood thinner. And blood clots easily or increased risk of heart attack. Or when you feel irritable or loss of appetite. Or when you have urinary tract infections or kidney stones, kidney failure. When you feel thirsty, that means you are already dehydrated. Or when you have dark yellow, strong smelling urine. Or when you urinate less often, and each time you urinate, very little come out, you are dehydrated. Or heat injury, like heat cramps, heat exhaustion, heat stroke. Or when you have imbalance of electrolytes, involuntary muscle contractions to loss of conscious or seizures. Or when you have pain, dull and throbbing head pain or headache, or muscle cramps or spasms, achy joints, dry eyes, blurry eyes, or chronic pains like arthritis and migraine, or bulging or herniated back pain. In severe cases, even death because of dehydration. Now let's look at advice or suggestions on water usage. Number 1, how much a person needs to drink daily. It says half your weight in ounces. For example, if you weigh 160 pounds, divide by 2, so 80, and make it in ounces, so 80 ounces of water daily. But of course, spread out throughout the day, and it depends on your activity level, the climate, or breastfeeding, or you are pregnant, or your age, or your gender, or health concern like fever, vomiting, and diarrhea. Of course, in those cases, you need to drink more. Number 2, drink water between meals, not during meals, because it can interfere with digestion. Number 3, increase your water intake if you sweat more or if your urine color is not pale. Or number 4, make a habit of carrying water with you wherever you go. Number 5, don't wait until you are thirsty. If you do, you are already dehydrated. And please avoid sugary or caffeinated drink or alcohol because they cause dehydration and they are bad for your health. And cultivate a desire to drink throughout the day, even when you don't feel like drinking. And be creative. You can add cucumber or berry or some like kiwi, mint, lemon, and all. And number 7, avoid drinking water 30 to 60 minutes before meal and an hour to 2 hours after meal, so that your stomach can digest the food efficiently. And avoid drinking too hot or too cold water. By doing so, your body must adjust temperature of water in the stomach before it can be used by the body, so it takes a lot of energy to do that, so it's a waste of energy. Number 9, drink water daily doesn't mean you count the juice and the tea and the soda and the coffee and the smoothie. And number 10, a great way to start your day is 2 glasses of water, either warm or room temperature, with half a lemon in each glass. And 11, use water as some forms of hydrotherapy or therapeutic or or healing to increase circulation and white blood cell activities. Like hot water helps remove waste from the blood through the skin, or alternating hot and cold showers. It's very therapeutic and stimulating to the skin and your blood circulation, especially as soon as you start the shower. Try to start with as hot as you could take, from 3 to 5 minutes, and turn to the coldest you could take to 1 minute. Repeat about 3 times and make sure you end the shower with cold water. And a cool bath followed by a dry brush or rough washcloth rub is very beneficial upon arising in the morning. Oh, my friends, spiritual water, which is the Holy Spirit, is very, very important. Like in John 7:37 to 39, Jesus stood and cried out, "If anyone thirst, let him come to me. Out of his heart will flow rivers of living water." But this he spoke concerning the Holy Spirit. So like the water we drink or we use, number 1, for our body parts to function well. Number 2, to improve circulation. Number 3, to eliminate waste. And number 4, to heal us. Number 5, to protect us from getting sick or protect the vital organs in the body. Spiritual rivers of living water, which is Holy Spirit. We need it for us spiritually to function well. We need rivers of living water, which is the Holy Spirit, to improve our spiritual circulation, that is our relationship, communion, connection with the heavenly host, to eliminate our spiritual waste like our unforgiveness, hatred, jealousy, strife, anything that is bad, and to bring us spiritual healing and to protect us spiritually. Yes, we need spiritual rivers of living water, which is the Holy Spirit, to do all those for us. Friends, I would like to leave you with 3 John 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in health as your soul prospers. Bye for now. Till my next video, the amazing health benefits of temperance. God bless.